Euro pound. No words to describe. Okay, look at those candles. That is someone that entered the market with some huge orders. Okay, I think this was inside trading. They knew the news was coming out. They knew what was going to happen. Remember, we talked about the Euro news. That's the Euro news right there. They knew what was coming, and they took advantage of it. Okay, that's someone with big money in the market right there. Okay, and they've cleaned out all this area, including this high. So right now, I have no idea what price is gonna do from here. Yeah, we could reach for that level there, because at the moment there's nothing here to say okay, price is gonna come here and then reject. There's nothing there. It's like we are trading in no man's land right now. So the only thing I could say are these two levels. Okay, that one and that, and then that high. So on the upside, these are the things I see for upside objectives, and then on the downside we do have a one-way traffic system, which is all up candles. So we could see a rebalancing. Let's delete all this. Okay, we could see a rebalancing. They've engineered some nice equal lows here as well, so we could see a rebalancing back up to the last down candle, and then if they get here, I think they might take out this low. So let's see how price unfolds today and then tomorrow. So I'll stay out on this one for now, and then see how price develops today, Monday, Tuesday. Maybe we'll get a swing high to form, and then we can take advantage of a 50% retracement. So if we do get a swing high to form, this is a really good one because it was all up candles. So when it's all up candles, it's good because we could see a pullback, and then because all these are up candles, is even better. We could get a rebalancing on the up candle. So let's be patient and let a swing high form, and then we can take advantage of that.